Hey, welcome to this HEYGEN tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make an instant avatar. You see my lips are moving up and down just like this guy. Yes, that's me as an AI clone, and I only set it up with 2 minutes of footage, and there are a bunch of mistakes that you can do while creating it. So I'm going to show you everything that I did. Second, I'm going to show you how to set up the video translate, where you can turn your voice into a completely new language, and the lips change as well, and the voice clone is the same. How you can get access to over 120 different avatar, 300 plus voices and templates, so you can make better videos, whether it's online or internally for your team or clients. You don't need any experience. You can do most of it completely for free, even if you're a beginner. So by the end of this video, you will become a HEYGEN expert. First, I want to show you how to access HEYGEN so you can see here AI-powered video creations at scale effortlessly. Produce studio quality videos with AI-generated avatars and voices. So just click on Get Started for free now. We can sign in with Google, Facebook, or SSO. I'm going to select Google, and now we're on the inside. As you can see, we have 1 credit, which equals minute of video, and this is rounded up to seconds. I'll show you what costs credits throughout this video. My favorite features is by far the instant avatar as well as this video translate, but I'm going to save those at the end. Feel free to scroll the timeline down below as you wish. The first thing we're going to look at is the create video section. As you can see, we can start from a template, or we can start from an AI script generation. Let's click on template, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, this could really be an official for you if you are having some sort of Valentine's Day sale, Black Friday sale, or opening, or want to create an ad for a dental clinic, furniture shop, even luxury jewelry. But if you select the AI script generation, this screen will pop up. As you can see, we can either put a topic input or a URL input. We put in a topic like how to build good work habits as a solo founder. Output language English, but they also have a bunch of different languages. Tone, let's keep it professional. Additional info, let's just add motivate solo founders. There is also an URL input where you can just put your website. Let's just test the topic input for now. Generate script, it's writing for US here really fast, and we're going to click on create video. As you can see, with now landed in the studio, it turned into a second video, and we can just listen to the voice. Are you a solo founder trying to build your business from the ground up? Do you often find it challenging to stay motivated and focused? Building good work habits is crucial for success as a solo founder. I actually like the intro a lot, but if you don't like the text, you can always open the GPT script writer so you can write just like it was ChatGPT, which is just so convenient. And if you don't like the voice, you can click on Ryan here, and you have a bunch of other VoIP voices. These are taken with Labs API, which is my favorite AI voice tool, and the way that you can do that is just click on this bottom in the top right, and as you can see, you can now import your API key here from Labs or Element to get the absolute most realistic voices. Let me show you some of the free ones, and let me show you some of the ones that have this premium to show you the difference. Let's check out Tony. Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it. Here's Ryan. Hello. His is how I sound. Hope you like it. This is Christopher. Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it. And this is William. Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it. It's definitely decent, but not amazing. Let's listen to the premium ones like Charles. Hi, this is how I sound. Hope you like it. Just way bet. Oh, right. Alexander, hi, this is how I sound hope. You like it almost like an army man. Jackson, hi, this is how I sound hope you. Like it like an American dad, what about? British Arthur, hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it, damn, that is really cool one. For this example, we're going to pick Tony, but as why? Oh, see, we only have this guy here. I don't really like him that much, so we're going to check out the avatars, but let me show you the newest feature that they just launched. This is the real-time avatar, and essentially this is the first low latency lifelike AI avatar where you can essentially have a all-time chat. You can talk to multiple concurrent avatars at the same time, have unlimited session length with any of the avatars you create, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and multi-language support. This is all set up with an API, and if you want to get it set up for you, you can also contact THM to get help. This could change how we interact with all of AI, which is very exciting, but I believe these two next features are probably my favorite. So for the instant avatars, as you can see, these ones are pretty premium, but you actually have 4 different versions you can test. So as you can see, his is the first one now. It's not going to move on the preview window. As you can see, if we click play, here you a solo founder trying to build. The animation is not going to start, so we actually have to render him out in order to show you how it looks like. Here is the second fine ton avatar I've seen her speak before, and it looks really realistic. The same with this guy, and the last one we have an actual vertical one that I bet is going to look really good. Here is an example. Welcome to the new era of video creation with HEYGEN. Simply type your script to get started. Here's another example. Welcome to the new era of video creation with HEYGEN. Simply type your script to get started. Here is Leah. Welcome to the new era of video creation with HEYGEN. Simply type your script to get started. Edward, welcome to the new era of video creation with HEYGEN. Simply type your script to get started. Yep, that's pretty impressive. I want to render it out with Edward, but I need to show you the other avatars as well. You can see we have these photo avatars that you can just basically upload an image and you can make them speak. And then we have the studio avatars. As you can see, we have some K1s here, like the first one that I showed you earlier, and multiple other variations of this that you could put in the foreground of any of your training videos. A lot of people are using these in YouTube videos to get a more personal touch. So say we're going to use this girl, we can put her over to the right, and we can add these elements like a WhatsApp image, and we can even add titles here as well. As you can see, it all fits down into the timeline with all the durations, just like editing in any other software. You can even upload a video, and now if you want to, you can drag this in as a background as well, and you could make tutorial videos showing your screen if you want to export to another editing software. You can always just drag a shape in here and make it like a green screen shape, color green, make it super bright, and then just send backwards. So you've seen the avatars, text elements, and assets. They also have the templates. Let me just really quickly show you. Click on this guy, for example, and you just added a new segment to the video. As you can see, click on another template, and we just added another segment as well. And through multiple different steps, you can show multiple different things to teach somebody in a more personalized way. I really want to try this avatar here, so I'm just going to click on submit, and it's now loading. Unfortunately, I don't have enough credits because the text is too long now. It's seconds, so we just export that. Costs half a credit, and now it's ready. Let's check it out. Are you a soul founder trying to build your business from the ground up? Do you often find it challenging to stay motivated and focused. Building good work habits is crucial for success as a solo founder. In this video, I will share some valuable tips and strategies to help you develop and maintain productive work habits. Wow, I mean, this guy is pretty impressive. I really like the way his mouth moves. His hands doesn't move too much. It could pass as a reel. Now the options you have is downloading in P or actually P for free. With the premium version, you can get it at K and you can export the C caption SRT. Now what? If you wanted to make this of your face, right, how would you do that? Well, let me show you the instant avatar. So let's click on create a video in landscape mode and see what we can do with it. As you can see, we're now in the studio. Now I want to not do a text transcript. I actually want an audio script to drive your avatar speech. I'm going to record audio up to minutes. So let's just click on start. Hey, this is me recording a video now. If my mouth looks weird or I use duck lips, it's actually because I went to Syria, got somewhat plastic surgery, and it went really bad. So please don't make fun of my lips. Also, if my hands are moving around a little bit sporadically, it's actually because this is not me. This is an AI avatar version of me. So, don't expect too much. All right, I'm leaving and there's nothing I can do about it. There we go. It actually added a second long clip. That's perfect. I'm going to go up and click on submit. This will use one of my credits. I only get one credit for free, so I hope that it's going to turn out well. Hey, this is me talking into the microphone. As you can see, my lips are moving up and down. My upper lip is a little bit like a duck lip. I went to Serbia. I got this bell box injected, and after a couple of days it got rank. So yeah, this is permanent damage and there's nothing I can do about it. Also, you might see my hands are moving around sporadically even when I'm not talking. So there's nothing I can do about that. I'm dying. I'm a little bit speechless to be honest because it looks so real. Look at the shirt. If I myself look at my hands go down home like I don't want to use my, this is so wild. I bet with just a tiny bit more fine-tuning, we can even get the lips to be almost percent perfect. Now you can choose to customize this. You can make your video bio, you see, and download it as AP original video. And if you upgrade, you can get a K video and export captions as SRT. But the next feature might be even cooler, called video translate. As you can see, we can go on the left side, click on video translate, and you can now drop to upload. I'm going to show you the video I'm going to use, and I'm filming this into the camera right now, speaking in English. I have to do seconds of footage so that they can get my voice and everything like that. Hopefully I can speak in Spanish or French or Turkish or maybe Korean as well. I wonder if it's going to make my mouth go up like and down like that. So I'm just going to drag it in here, but nothing starts unless we choose a target language. Here they have over different languages that you can choose between. Here is a better screenshot if you want to stop the video now and find your language. I'm going to pick Korean for this example and click on translate this video. There's also this option to translate only the audio, and here is the result. So as you can see, this is just ridiculous, right? I actually sent this to a couple of my friends and they're like, I don't see it, but I know you don't speak Korean. So if you have a friend that speaks a different language, send one of these videos to them and they're going to reply with only crying laughing emojis. Also, I need to give you a quick warning about the video that you put in. So I use this video where I'm moving way too much back and forth, and because of that the algorithm can to really keep up with my mouth and stuff. So just look at This bad example so you can avoid this mistake. I don't know about you, but I sound like a final boss in an anime, so keep your head steady in frame for the best result. Now you might be wondering, what's the price? As you can see, for free, you get 1 credit or 1 minute max duration, 1 instant avatar, and 1 space seat. So that basically means how many people can be in your account. It features public avatars, public voices, talking, photo, generative AI, outfit, avatar, face swap, and video templates. Create remarkable you can do for free, but if you actually going to use it in your workflow, it definitely isn't enough. So that's why we have the creator plan and the business plan. So with the creator plan, you actually get credits at $1 a month. This is if it's billed yearly. If you pay monthly, it's $1 a month. Maximum minutes per video duration. Usually, most YouTube videos are minutes long, which means that either you have to do 2 of them and then cut them together or upgrade it to another plan. Now you can have 3 instant avatars, which if you're going to use the AI avatar, I recommend it. So you have different spaces and maybe you talking in different sets, and you get the premium voices, auto captions, no watermark avatar, fine-tuned voice clone that can create your avatars even better. Now it changes when we go over to the business here, where the monthly plan is $1. It gives you credits per month and a whopping minute max duration. It also has instant avatars, but the craziest part is the API access. So technically, you could create avatars without even entering the HEYGEN software. Priority video processing, brand kit, and the K resolution, and there is an enterprise for those that go all in. Now for this, you have to contact sales. Want to drag these sliders up as well, where if you get more credits, it's basically more expensive. The maximum package at $1 per month. And if you think about it, what is personalized video worth for you? If you make training videos, there are more personal, so you see a human and not just a robot voice. If you make YouTube videos, they can actually connect with a character instead of just a voice. So personally, I think it's a great investment if you're doing any type of faceless video. So do you feel like you can use HEYGEN now? And if it's a good software for you, click the link in the description down below to test HEYGEN for free, so you can make better videos for your work, your education, or your personal life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.